Brain injuries are especially catastrophic because the person doesn't realize how fully injured they are. There's a process called denial. I've handled hundreds of brain injury cases, so I understand the fact that this is a subtle injury, and the injury manifests itself in the person's personality, their capacity for relationships, their performance at work, things that are very, very subtle, that the average individual is not going to pick up. The level of science where it is now, there's no absolutes. It's difficult to substantiate the full effect the brain injury has on a person's life. As I like to say, your client doesn't walk into a courtroom with a cast on our head. So it's manifested in their conduct, their activities, their ability to be productive, their ability to earn a living. And all of those areas are drastically affected. With a brain injury, it's not something that goes away. It never goes away. That person has to deal with the brain injury on a daily basis, the ability to concentrate, to focus, to remember things. In fact, they forget. That person needs help throughout the day, throughout their week, throughout the year, throughout the rest of their life. So this is something that they have to be compensated for over their entire lifetime, and there has to be a sufficient amount of money to take care of that person's needs. And it can run into millions and millions of dollars. I've been handling brain injury cases in the state of California for 31 years, and I've represented hundreds of individuals from all walks of life who suffered a brain injury. And if you've suffered an injury where you've lost consciousness and now you have problems with your memory, you're having problems sleeping, you're having problems functioning, then it's important for you to hire an attorney in California as quickly as possible to represent your interest.